Welcome back to Tech Man. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can uninstall Steam Games. To uninstall and delete Steam Games, begin by launching the Steam application on your computer. Click on the Library tab located in the top left corner of the Steam window to access your list of games. Locate the game you wish to uninstall and delete, right-click on it, and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Games Properties window, click the Browse Local Files button to open the game's installation folder. Navigate up one folder level to find the Common folder, which contains all your installed games. Return to Steam, right-click on the game again, select Manage, and then choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstallation process. If any remnants of the games folder remain in the Common folder, after the uninstallation, you can manually delete it. To do this, right-click on the remaining game folder and select Delete to ensure the game is completely removed from your computer. Note that manually deleting the folder is optional, but recommended to ensure the complete removal of all game files. By following the steps, you will successfully uninstall and delete Steam games from your computer. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.